So guys, in our previous classes, we have seen what is DNS server. We have seen what is IIS. In DNS server, we have created one zone, cisco.com. Then we have created some records by default. The records are created, two records are created. Okay, and we have created a record and we have created alias name and we have created PTR record as well. Then after that, we have created Cisco website. This IIS is used to host the website, and we have created cisco.com website here. Okay, so to create this website, we need to have the DNS. Okay, without DNS, we can't create the website, and only DNS is not enough for a website. We need both the things, so they complement each other. And so for creating the website, we need server, we need static IP address, we need operating system, and we need a folder. In this folder you will place the website in HTML format. Then we have access this Cisco website. Okay, now what we will do, guys, we'll create one more website. Let us say it is Gmail. Okay, so we'll do it from scratch. We'll go to DNS and we'll create the zone, then we'll create the records, then we'll go to IIS server and we'll create the website and we'll access this Gmail. So we are using the same server for DNS and IIS. So let me change the name to DNS and IIS server. We'll log on to this server. So first we'll create the zones in DNS. So guys, what is the use of DNS?
Translate domain name into IP address. IP address into domain name.
Very good. So what we will do, excuse me guys, we'll go to IIS server. We'll open the IIS service first. Create a zone, gmail.com. So how to open IIS? You'll go to server manager. Then you'll go to tools. Okay, first we'll open the DNS, not IIS. We'll open DNS. Okay, so if you remember, we have already created this cisco.com and we are able to access this cisco.com as well. Let me show you one more time. Yeah. Okay, so if you try to ping cisco.com, it is translating this name into IP address. Okay, so it is done by this DNS server. So we have already created cisco.com, and if you see SOA and NS, these two records are created automatically when you create the zone. And we had created this host A host or a record or alias name. Let us create Gmail zone, new zone, next primary zone. And if you uncheck this option, this records will not be saved in Active Directory. It will be saved in the primary domain or DNS. And we'll give the name gmail.com, and one file will be created by this name gmail.com.dns. We'll click next, and we need the updates to be done automatically. So we'll select this, allow both non-secure and secure dynamic updates. Then we'll click next, finish. So if you go to gmail.com zone, SOA and NS are created. We need to create a record or host record. Right click, and again server 01, IP address is 10.0.0.1. We'll add this a record, then we'll add the alias record, new alias, and www, then server dash 01. What is this? Gmail.com, right? Gmail.com server dash 01. What is a fully qualified name? Forgetting the name. Yeah, gmail.com server dash gmail.com. Then we'll create the pointer record. New PTR, and IP address is 1, server 0/1 dot, it is ms.com. Okay, we'll click OK, and we'll verify whether it is pinging or not. So guys, if you see, we have pinged the gmail.com, and we are getting the IP address. Now what we will do, we'll go to IIS server. DNS is done. We'll go to IIS. Before going to IIS, we'll create one web page. Websites. Right click, text, and let us say the content is like this. This is www.gmail.com page, and we'll save it in .html format. Okay, so we'll delete this notepad file, and we'll open this Gmail page. Okay, it is opening here. It is working fine on the server, but we need to access this page from the clients. We need to access these sites from client. So we need to go to excuse me guys. We need to go to IIS manager sites. Under this sites, we will create one Gmail site. Okay, right click, add website. So guys, it is having three options here. Add website. It doesn't have the fourth option. We will discuss about that fourth option after completing this Gmail website. And the site name is Gmail. You can give any name. You need to give the physical path. You will select the folder where you have saved the website, and you need to assign the IP address, and the host name is www.gmail.com. Okay, here you are not providing the server name. Instead of that, you will provide the URL, full URL. Then you will click OK. After that, you will go to Gmail and you will go to default document. Under this default document, you will add this page name Gmail. Okay, you will rename. You will select this rename option, copy, and you will paste it here under the default document. Add paste dot html. Then you will click OK. Okay, and this directory browsing, you should ensure whether it should be enabled. Okay, so yesterday we have enabled it, so it is enabled. Now guys, let us try to access this website. We are getting this page. Okay, this is www.gmail.com page, and Cisco is also. Okay, why it is opening Gmail for Cisco? Okay guys, if you try to open cisco.com, it is opening Cisco, but you are getting this message. So what we will do, we will delete this page from here, and we will create one folder called Gmail website. And let us create gmail.com website. Save as gmail.html. Okay, this is Gmail website. and we'll go back to IIS. Let us remove it. Add a website, Gmail, and we'll provide the path. Gmail website, we'll click OK. IP address is 10.0.0.1. Hostname www.gmail.com. Copy. We'll add this document. .html. And we'll click OK. And we'll make sure directory browsing is enabled. If it is not enabled, we need to enable it manually. All right, let us try to access it one more time. Cisco.com. Okay, Cisco is opening. Let us open the gmail.com. Gmail is opening. All right, guys. So both the sites are working fine. Let us verify it one more time. Cisco is opening. Gmail is also opening. Now, guys, let us say our requirement is this. This your company has decided to close this Cisco's.com website, and your company wants every time a user tries to open Cisco.com, this Gmail website should open. Okay, if they try Cisco.com, this gmail.com should be open. So this is our requirement. So for this we will use the excuse me guys, we'll use the redirection service. So if you remember, we were installing the IIS yesterday and we have selected this HTTP redirect option. Let me show you one more time. You should have redirect option to redirect the website from Cisco to Gmail. Okay, so let me show you. Let us go to add roles and features. We'll click next, 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 and under this IIS Web Server option, you will select the first option and common features. If you see here, this HTTP redirection should be installed. If it is not installed, if you are not seeing that option there, here in IIS, if you are not seeing this redirect option here, which means it is not installed, you need to install it from add rules and features from here. So we have already selected this option. That is why this option is available here, redirect option. So you will go to this redirect option. Let us go to Cisco and we'll go to this redirect option. We need to check this option, redirect request to this destination. What is the destination? www.cisco.com. gmail.com. So when someone tries to open cisco.com, okay, when someone tries to open cisco.com, the request should go to gmail.com. Okay, then we'll click OK. Okay, redirect all requests to exact destination. We need to apply it. Now what we will do, we'll try to open cisco.com. It should open gmail.com. Okay, if you see, it is trying to open gmail.com, but it is unable to open it. What is the problem? mail www dot. Okay, we need to give the full URL http www dot gmail.com. Then we'll apply it. Let us try it now. Okay, if you see, guys, we tried to open cisco.com, it is opening gmail.com. And what was the problem? We didn't provide the full URL. We need to provide the URL with http. One more time, let us try to open cisco.com. Okay, I'm trying to open the cisco.com, but it should be redirect to gmail.com. You can see it is opening gmail.com. Clear, guys? The redirect option.
Yes.
Adnan, Nishad.
Yes, clear, sir.
Okay, guys. Now we will remove this redirect option. So now it is decided that when someone tries to open Cisco, it should open Cisco. When someone tries to open Gmail, it should open Gmail only. So you will uncheck this option. Okay. So better to remove, and we'll uncheck this option. We'll apply it. Now if you try to open cisco.com, it will open Cisco. And if you try to open Gmail, now you can see it is working fine. Now guys, we will see one more thing. Your requirement is like, your organization requirement is like these two websites. Okay, it is a mail service of your organization. This is your main website, and your requirement is like you should open this mail web page using this cisco.com. Like, let us say you want to open Gmail using this Cisco URL, like this www.cisco.com/Gmail. Now we are opening cisco.com separately, gmail.com separately, but our requirement is to open this Gmail using this Cisco URL. Okay, so we will use this option as well. Let us see this option. We'll go to Cisco, right click, and we'll add the virtual directory. Virtual directory means it will open the other website using same URL. what is the alias? Let us give Gmail. And what is the physical path of this Gmail website? Gmail website, we'll click OK. Then we'll click next. Okay. Now guys, let us try to open this gmail.com using Cisco URL. We'll click on this page and we'll open the new page. www.cisco.com/gmail. It should open the Gmail page. It is giving the error. It is giving this error. Let us try to fix it. Add virtual directory alias Gmail. We'll provide the directory Gmail website. Test settings. Then we'll click OK. Let us try it one more time. So guys, if you see, we tried to open cisco.com/gmail, we are getting this gmail.com web page. Okay, from this cisco.com. If you want to open only cisco.com, you will remove this /gmail. You will get cisco.com. Clear, everyone? Any doubt?
Dot, sir.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, all right, guys. Now, guys, we'll see FTP.